really miss Kurt, dude. Like, I don't think we should have killed him. It's been about, like, what, 2 weeks since we killed him?
I think so.
We're gonna powder coat his ashes, cause he's dead. We killed him.
Should we go get him?
I want to go bury him up and, like, maybe we'll just make a puppet out of his body or something. You know what I mean? Is it illegal to dig up a dead body? Not if it's your friend, right? It's right up here, right?
Yeah, it's up here to the right. I think it's over there.
At the mailbox over the bend.
Yeah, this is where we park. I'm glad you came. Dominic's looking right now, but he can't really find him. Yeah.
I think I see his tombstone.
Yeah? Yeah?
He's here. Kurt! Alex, he's here. Kurt! We gotta give him CPR. Woo-hoo. He's alive, dude. Kurt, man. Don't forget your hat. Don't forget your beautiful hat, dude.
Oh my God.
Dude.
Kurt!
Bro, what the fuck? Dead. Bro, I thought you were dead this whole time.
I wasn't even dead. You guys left me down there for days.
Bro, it's been like 3 weeks.
I don't think he's taking it too well.
Hey, man.
Hey, Kurt.
How you doing, dude?
Well, I'm a little cheesed that you guys buried me alive.
Yeah, we didn't mean to, bro.
I thought I killed you, dude.
Yeah.
I didn't know.
I know, like, things are tense right now, and, like, that was not that cool, but, like, I have some exciting stuff to tell you.
What's that?
We're working on Mark's FRS.
Mark's car?
Yeah.
Marquini.
He has a Vortech V3 kit. We're gonna put it on.
Supercharger?
Yeah.
You want to do it?
Oh, I'd love to.
You want to finish it with us?
Really?
Yeah.
Alex is gonna film it.
Alex is gonna film.
Yeah. He's gonna do a full edit.
Alex is gonna do a whole edit, like right. Alright, I hope you enjoyed Alex's video. I'm assuming I'm going to put it at the start of the video. I haven't even seen the video yet. I have hardly even started the car yet. But as per the instructions, I have all the intake stuff off. And I am taking the belt off. I'm actually not sure what's next. I got the covers for the alternator and AC off. Alright, so I struggled to film some of this, but Supercharger is now on, and now I'm going to finish installing all the metal stiffener plates for the bracket, and I think after that you start moving on to mounting the intercooler and charge piping. Okay, so I don't remember exactly where I left off, but Supercharger's all in, Supercharger's installed. I think I've checked off everything. Today I was working on the gauges and such. We have the adapter there for the oil pressure gauge. I'm gonna go through the final checklist. I'm gonna load the OFT tune onto the car, and after that, I think we're good to start the car. We got Mark. Say hi. We are about to start it for the first time. I just got the OFT loaded up, and he's sweating. I'm gonna hook up this other crankcase veg, and we'll be good to start it. So, wish us luck. If I scream to shut it off, just turn it off. That's all we can really do. All right. Okay. Here you go. Yeah. That sounds insane. Wow. All right, so I got this guy in. I did this with drill bits, not the most ideal scenario. I would recommend using a hole saw if you have access to one. Would make life a lot easier, a lot cleaner, a lot safer probably. Called this guy up for a quote earlier. Said he was actually the fastest welder in Ontario.
Yeah, I had to come as quick as I could. Let me see the job. We'll bang this out really quick. Hey.
Ontario's quickest welder. Thanks for that.
I'll send you an invoice.
He's gonna send me an invoice at Mark's email, and
That's that. Love you.
love you.
Love you.
As you saw, quick guy Kurt came through, welded the O2 on. Let's try and zoom in there. It's pretty good placement, I think. I don't know. I got all that stuff going into the cabin. Cleaning up the mess that's down here. I got the freaking all the sub harnesses for the gauges, and then that's the box for the air fuel gauge. So I'm just gonna finish tucking all this up, and then we're gonna go for a rip. This guy is gonna film something.
Yeah, I think you gotta go farther in actually.
Can you go farther in?
Yeah, you have to.
I think I have to like unlock a new part of the car.
We might actually have to cut it.
I'm actually gonna bite one of the pedals.
Bro, I don't got it.
I'm telling you, I don't got it.
Oh shit. Well, that basically finishes up the FRS. We got these guys here, yeah. Huh?
Should I? Sorry. I forgot. Just hanging out.
We're gonna go take it for some cruising, get some gas.
Me and Wayne will meet you there.
Oh. And yeah, this guy's gonna film. Pops is gonna watch us leave. All right, let's see how she does.
Oh, I got caught.
Oh, tell me that's just the tire lettering.
Where?
Look at the tire. Look at the tire.
I think it's fine.
Hey, dude. Is the tire lettering make it look like the wheels falling off? Okay. Cheers, man. Welcome to family. Welcome, everybody. Welcome. Can you feel the rain? No, you can't. It's a beautiful sunny day. We have this car. So nice. So cool. Super sweet. We're just driving it. Then you're going to hear it. So welcome to the Riser Gang Garage. Today we're trying to show you what we're here, what we're doing. Oh, watch out! Watch out! We've got this spicy juice. This. Ooh, that one's good. Wow, man. Wow, this one is making my throat bleeding. Fuck, man. Dude, every video that you're gonna record, Swedish me is in the background.
Swedish me, it's a ball. Is it breaking up?
Check engine light came on.
Oh.
I just want to get the left key.
We gotta go look at the list with them. So for all of you that don't know what cars and stuff on the channel, we actually, when your check engine light comes on, that actually means you should probably just look at it. Just make sure it's there. That's really all you gotta do. Okay, Don't
say that.
That's crazy.
Took this thing for a wash.
I do the behind the scenes.
Yeah, I don't know why he keeps saying that. Alex is here getting some shots. Nope. I didn't know what to do. Just panic. How are you doing today? What do you do for a living?
I sell track.
Okay. Are you the owner of this car?
I'm getting old, man. I
What?
can't stand for another like 6 minutes. I'll be passed out on the floor.
All right.
Roughly,
Give me a sheet.
hold on. I'm trying to tell you, it's like roughly like 78 degrees Fahrenheit outside today, with a wind chill of like nothing. So like, I'm sweating. I'm sure he's sweating.
Full on drip.
The guy's got back wet.
YouTube doesn't need to know his back
My
is wet.
My back wet too. Very hot.
Now you gotta rev that thing. Oh yeah.
So this wraps up the video of the Vortech V3 FRS install. I know it wasn't the most informative. I definitely forgot to film a lot, but you get the gist of it. You get to hear some pretty noises.
The gist of it?
Yeah.
It's the gist of it, not the just of it.
You get the Justin of it.
Do you get the Justin of it?
Can you do the outro? Because I don't.
Yeah, what do you want me to say?
Like, just something.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Post a comment of a picture of your favorite dog or cat down below. Maybe like a picture of your family, social insurance number, whatever you want to post down below. Smash the like button or the dislike button, whatever one you want. I have a band-aid that keeps peeling off from 1904 because I cut my finger open. But
Alright, you're running out of minutes here.
thanks for subscribing to my YouTube channel. I own it. I don't. It's not mine. Who owns it then? I don't know. Any of you guys want this channel? Yo, $4.
What is it?
Yo, we're literally.
All right, get her going then. Oh, it's cold.
Bro's literally getting buried right now. Is your face going under?
Yeah, whole thing.
Can you feel
Bro,
it?
this is nuts. We're burying Kurt alive. He's fully alive right now. If you see, we're going to bury.
I feel like someone's gonna see us.
Yeah.
DBI services drives by. They own this property. They come. Dude, we're burying a human.
I'll just say here.
We'll go to jail. We're literally gonna go to jail. Jail.
We run a very big YouTube channel.
Very big YouTube. Mr.
It's
Beast.
Mr. Beast.
Strike us up. We're Mr. MR Beats.
Beats.
Giving me $1 million to be buried alive for 17 hours.
I'm gonna spend 50 hours underneath the ground in a 6x6 box. Will I make it or die?
Bro.
No.
Kirk Barnes.
Can you put a piece of grass?
1996 to 202.
Put the big piece of grass. Yeah, we will. Move.
Oh my god. Oh,
I just got a haircut.
bro.